Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Will coming at you with another video. I hope that each and every one of you is having a fantastic day, morning, evening, wherever you are. If you guys haven't checked out my previous video, I got a leather care kit from Chemical Guys. I paid for it with my own money, not a sponsored video at all. It was on sale on Amazon. And if you'd like to check out those, I really put a lot of work into that video. It's particularly the most recent one where I tested out the conditioner and cleaner, the 2-in-1. I really put a lot of thought into those angles and all of that, trying to get that video just right. So if you guys like to check that out, I think it was a pretty good video and I think you guys would enjoy that very much. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2009 BMW 328i. It is an LCI model. 2009 is the first year of the LCI model. Many of you probably don't know this. I only mentioned it one time in a video. My sunroof does not work. But several of you did catch that and left comments suggesting how to fix it. And one of the most common things was to try to just lubricate the track with some WD-40 or grease or something. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you what exactly is wrong with it, because the motor does in fact work. As you can see, it opens just fine. There's no issues whatsoever with that. But if you try to close it, even resetting it doesn't fix the problem, but temporarily. Give it one last spray over. Alright, now that it's been sprayed and lubricated, cleaned, all of that, we're going to go ahead and try this out, and to start by running the reset procedure again. Alright guys, as you saw right there, it sort of fixed the problem. At least my sunroof will close if I just hold it down and go the entire way with it. It's still not 100% fixed, so I don't know what's wrong with it. If you guys have any idea, I mean, I showed you everything there. Shoot it in the comments below. Let me know what you think. I am glad though that, I mean, at least I can use it now. It's not ideal, but I really didn't like just having a sunroof that I couldn't use. So anyway, if you guys found this informative, helpful, if you're having issues with your sunroof and the reset procedure doesn't work, that might do the trick. I mean, lots of people have talked to me about it and they seem to really swear by it, so I have no reason to doubt these people. I think it's a great idea, so it's always better to try the easier and cheap solutions before you go start throwing money away at the dealership. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.